get it from the bottom. There it goes. Timber! Alright, let's go back to the opposite side and try that big locust tree.
Hey guys, welcome back to today's field episode. So here's a quick before look of today's episode. You got this big locust tree here on the right. You got this slash pile right here that I cleared. I'm going to give you an after look from today. Of course, I was filming these two tom turkeys right here. But here's a quick before look. And when we wrap up today's episode, I'm going to show you how I got this view cleaned up here by this old cattle pond.
Guys, once again, and temps will drop to around 60 degrees. This has been your KY3 weather.
Alright, here's this big locust. The ground should be nice and soft, but they are tough. They're a tough tree. This is why they call it a high lifter. Feels like it's got a self-leveling bucket. That's pretty cool. Woohoo! Down she goes. Steel cable that Sharon found. Trying to clean some of the dirt off there. Bury it here. A little soft. Oh, it's got power to wow.
All right, real quick interruption. So I was bragging up the traction on this thing. Well, on my third mission with it, I already hit its limitation. I hit a greasy wet spot in this field, tried to push this thing uphill. It didn't go. I'm not sure if I'm going to post this or not, but I thought I'd let you know I found a limitation pretty quick in this slick field underneath this slash pile.
Push some of this dirt that I got buried in. Feet are really weird getting used to. Make myself a little ramp here and then fill in that root hole. Drag on the way up. Maybe. another locust right there. I need to get that, see if I can. Now we are at the very base of the pond dam. Down here that I don't want to run over. Need to wait for that to dry up just a hair. Good traction. I mean, it's pretty steep right here. Get it from the bottom. There it goes. Timber! By the way, this is where the leak was coming out of. Well, it still is. Whoa! I lifted a track up. To fill that in before I go in there. Just going to open up the view here, really nice from the house. impressive. That's all I gotta say right now. This is crazy impressive. Episode 1. So I'm gonna have to start doing a little dirt grading. It's kind of opposite. It's like you're pulling backwards, but yet you're going faster. I want to feel like that would be forward. That is a big locust. That is no chump change. I think I gotta go bring them turkey hunters back out here this afternoon. But not bad, lesson number 1.
Alright, so here's the new view. That slash pile in the back is gone. I just videoed some turkeys the other day that would have been behind that slash pile, and then the 2 big locusts and the slash pile I pushed down before I had to call it in. So you can bet I'll be on this machine, even though it's our oldest machine. It's kind of becoming my favorite really quick. Got a lot of rain and that going on, but I did get on it for a couple hours and continue other projects the other day. So stay tuned. Hit the like button. Consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.